A very good morning, folks. Welcome to Cars Live. This is your host Shiraz. Today we are coming after a very long time, finally after a lockdown. Cars Live is back with their video analysis. No more TikTok videos, no more cooking videos. We are good at what we are doing is reviewing and evaluating the cars. So today I have a very luxurious sedan coming up for you, which is a Honda City ID Tech 1.5 liter diesel with 200 Nm of torque speed, diesel engine, 2016 model, single owner car, driven just 78,000 kilometers on record, Honda service, Honda maintained till date, no accident, nothing on this beautiful gorgeous car. This is a VMT variant with a top end variant, comes loaded with features like dual airbags, ABS, alloys, power steering, power windows, cruise control, automatic ORVM, mirror adjustments, fog lamps, Bluetooth, steering controls, dual tone interiors, touch panel AC, dual AC, many more features loaded onto it. This beast gives a great mileage of about 22 to 20 in city and about 24 to 26 on highways, depending on driver and the driving conditions. The price of this car is quoted at just rupees 6,50,000 only. The car also comes with 1 year of brand new insurance valid till next year June 2020 as well. So basically nothing to be spent on the car except the tires, which I feel a little weaker. Only tire needs a replacement, which will cost you about, let's say, about 12 to 15,000 rupees. That's the only expense. It's actually an investment and not an expense, and you can get up to 90% on this loan on this car. That means just give me 25,000 rupees down payment and this gorgeous beast, luxury beast sedan, the Honda City ID Tech diesel 2016 model, all for a price of 6.5 lakhs, will all be yours. So let's have a look at the entire review of the car. We explain the body analysis, mechanical condition, painting, all the secrets of the car will be revealed soon. So just have a look. So like I said, folks, this is a beautiful luxurious sedan, the milky white or crystal white as called as, Honda City ID Tech diesel variant 2016 model. A beautiful sedan, or a very fantastic looking, very gorgeous indeed. You can see overall in just original condition, no scratches, no dents, nothing. Just light paint on the bumper has been painted once because of scratches and dents right there, and even the side mirrors have been one round of paint done on the side mirrors too. The doors are all spotless, clean, no accidents, no replacements here. As you can see, the doors are all company seal conditions, all intact. That means all genuine and in original condition, no accidents and no repaint. Even the A pillar is all genuine with company seal conditions, all intact on the A pillars as well. Just fantastic here. Even the right side back door, as you can see, no scratches, no dents, nothing on the right side door, no repaint as well. It's all in genuine and original condition. You can see the doors, the right side back door is all genuine with company sealing all intact. If it comes a fat sealing, that means genuine, no accidents and no replacements. And even the C pillar is all, you can see, all genuine and 100% all intact, no accidents there. The right side quarter panel is also genuine, no scratches, no repaint and no accidents. The back bumper has been painted once just to avoid scratches and dents only, that's it. It's a VMT variant ID Tech diesel Honda City 2016 model. Beautiful at the back boot, just a small dent here on the boot. Let's open up and show you the boot space too. You can see overall comes with a nice 350 liter boot space, very clean, very spacious for your luggage and luggage compartment. The back boot space, tail lamp, you can see company seal condition all intact here as well, genuine and original in condition, no accidents. Even on the right side, as you can see, all condition, all company seal condition all intact, no accidents here. Even the boot door is all double sealing, all intact. That means it's all genuine and in original condition, no accidents. Now boot floor, as you can see, the spare tire is about 20% in life left. The boot floor is all genuine, no rusting, no accidents, no boot floor work, repair work, nothing whatsoever. All the toolkit, everything is all intact right there. So car at the back also is all genuine, even at the front and back too. So coming back on the left side of the car, so except the bumper has been painted, that's it. The entire borderline on the left side is also in genuine condition and original, no accidents and no repaint there. You can see this is a diesel car. You can see the left side back door is all genuine with company seal condition all intact here too, no accidents there, all genuine. And even the left side front door is also genuine and in original condition, no accidents. Bonnet is all genuine condition right there. all in good condition. All tire comes with alloys, but all tires are about 15 to 20% life left. That means the tires need a change and replacement. Changing the tires will cost you about 12 to 15,000 only, and all the tires come with alloys. So all 5 tires basically has to be changed. That's the only expense on the car. So that's the beautiful borderline review of the car. Now coming back on the engine review, as you can see, the ID Tech diesel manual 1.5 liter diesel, which gives a nice 200 Nm of torque speed and good mileage of about 20 to 22 in city and about 24 to 26 on highways, depending on driver and the driving conditions. As you can see, the aprons on the right side, company seal condition all intact on the aprons here. It's all genuine and seal condition all intact. The lower cross members, upper cross members, the bonnet putty, bonnet support, headlight support is all genuine and in original condition. And even on the left side you can see the headlight support, the lower cross members, upper cross members and the aprons on the left side is all genuine. The company seal condition all intact here as well. No accidents there too. Engine is in seal condition. As you can see, this is a company seal. It's a sealed engine driven just about 78,000 kilometers. It's a 2016 model, company service. Last service was done at 72,000 kilometers at a Honda authorized service centers. So next service is basically due after another 5,000 kilometers there. So it comes with a nice diesel turbo, the turbo engine, the ID Tech, the best one in Japanese. We can get with good diesel mileage on this and good torque speed too. So that's the front view. It comes with all fog lamps at the front grills as well. So that's the front part. Also comes with central locking with remote right there. And coming back more on the interior review of the car, so you can see it has a nice indicator reflectors too, and all 4 doors are power windows, and you have electronic ORVM mirror adjustments, open and close mirrors too right there, electronic mirrors. Nice dual tone interiors at the front and at the back as well. You have dual tone interiors with power windows at the back. You have armrests with cup holders at the back too, and you have a AC, rear AC at the back as well. So even a third person can sit in the center and your legs won't hit at the AC screen, right? The AC vent right there. So quite spacious on the Honda City there. You can see, coming back more on the front, it has a seat height and weight adjustment too. Back the car, like I said, it's driven 78,000 kilometers on record. It's a single owner car, 2016 model. Come loaded with dual airbags, one for the driver and one for the co-passenger. You have dual airbags right there, and you also have cruise control modes right on the steering right there, and Bluetooth multimedia audio video controls, Bluetooth controls right here. The best part is the touch panel AC right there. Full complete automatic touch panel AC and a dual tone multimedia music system as well. So that's the multimedia with FM, CD player and aux output. You have the power output, aux and the multimedia output right there, and USB output, and it comes with a 6-speed manual gearbox, which is the best in class you can get right there, with reverse sensors too. So like I said folks, a 2016 model Honda City ID Tech diesel 1.5 liter, a single owner car, white in color, beautiful gorgeous VMT top end variant. You're getting at the price of just 6.5 lakhs only, and you also get 90% loan on this car. That means just make a down payment of just 25 to 30,000 rupees and you can be a proud owner of this gorgeous luxury sedan, the Honda City ID Tech diesel 2016 model with brand new insurance, and you also get, don't forget, a comprehensive warranty which covers on engine, gearbox and clutch, powered by Dr. Wheels, which is exclusively available nowhere else, only at Cars Life. That's the best part that you can get here, only at Cars Life. So 2016 model Honda City ID Tech diesel model, all for a price of 6,50,000 only, with warranty and with brand new insurance. Only available at Cars Live with EMIs. Our showroom is open. All our cars are sanitized well and ready for test drive. All our staff is also wearing masks, and we are using sanitizers too. So nothing to worry. It's all safe. To visitors, come take a test drive, fall in love with this gorgeous beast and the other collection of cars that we have. Remember, it is not safe to travel using a public transport during this pandemic. So it's always smart and safe to buy your own car. Right now, this is a right time. Think about a family and buy a used car right now on EMI too. Thank you for watching Cars Life.